Hey, virtual party friends. I want to tell you a story. It was a few weeks ago. My husband and I were sitting around the dinner table with our two middle sons because our oldest was at play practice and our youngest daughter was already in bed. And I had started talking to my husband about some podcast that I had heard that day about, I don't know what it was about. Well, I do, but it's too long of a story. But our two sons that were having dinner with us started to, they were listening to our conversation and they were kind of starting to chime in. And before dinner was done, they had each shared with us different things that they had learned at school in science and social studies class and how that related to this podcast that I had listened to. And we had this wonderful conversation as a family where we were really feeling connected with what they were doing at school and with them. And we both felt so great about it. It was one of those moments where you're like, maybe we're doing some things right. And I thought about it afterwards and I realized there's nowhere else that conversation would have happened, whether we had been in the car, traveling somewhere, certainly not if we were sitting in front of the TV, or even at the table, like playing a board game, or even at a restaurant having dinner. That kind of conversation only happens around the dinner table at home when we're nourishing our bellies and we are paying attention to each other. We're sitting face to face with the people that we love and allowing time for those things to happen. So that is why I love what I do with the Pampered Chef. And my goal in this is that we all know the science behind it, why we want those conversations to happen, why we want to have dinner as a family, but it's hard to do. We need ideas for what to put on the table, and, having the right tools for the job makes it easier and makes it more fun. So that's what I hope to do in my own little way to make the world a little bit better place. That's what I'm trying to do with my business. So I hope that you will like and follow our page, Ryan and Teresa Throwing Food. And if you have any questions about anything you see here, or if there's anything I can do to help you get around the dinner table with your family more often, please let me do what I can. Have a great day. Thanks for listening.